Hi everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is closing pages versus closing browser. Closing a page and closing a browser are not the same. Using the wrong one can stop your test early or leave resources open. In Playwright, a page is a single tab and a browser contains all the contexts and the page. When you close a page, only that tab is closed and the rest of the browser keeps running. When you close the browser, everything inside it closes. That are all context, all pages, and the entire session. Use Page.Close when a pop-up or a child tab is finished. You want to remove only one page. Use Browser.Close when the test is fully complete. You want a clean shutdown. Closing the browser too early can stop the entire test execution. Here in the sample script, I opened two pages using new page async method, which creates multiple tabs inside the same browser. Two pages are open. I close one page using the Page.Close async method. Here if you see, I am using close async method to close page 1, which closes only that tab and the browser keeps running. The second page is still active and I can continue actions because the browser is still open. So I print page to title. Now I close the browser. Browser.close async method is used here if you see, which shutdowns all context and pages completely. After closing the browser, no further automation can continue because the session is fully terminated. Now I will run the sample script so that you can see the difference. So I have used thread.sleep for seeing the result. If I do not use thread.sleep, application will fast very like it will be very fast that we cannot see the difference. Just to see the difference how particular lines of code is executed, I am using thread.sleep. So I will run. You will see the difference why we are using thread.sleep. First it open Cogmento page. Next it will open Cogmento login page. Next Cogmento login page is open. So it will try to close this page now. The page 1 will be closed. This is page 2. And page 2 title will be printed. Now if you check the console, page 1 is open Cogmento page. Page 2 is Cogmento login page. It will try to close page 1. It closed page 1. But the browser is still running. Page to title should be free CRM. We have printed the same in here actually using page to title sync async method. Now if you see page to title is printed and also verified. Browser is closed. Here we are closing the browser. So the difference is if you want to close a page which is related to tab or window, use page.close async method. If you want to shut down browser or close the browser, use browser.close async method. Closing pages will be very useful when you are dealing with multiple pages. Close pages when you finish with a tab. Close the browser only when the entire test is complete.